Hello, this is Aaron Black from Absolute Data Solutions. I'm here to give a quick 3 to 5 minute demo on the client demographics view within the adsBI database structure. The first thing you want to do is start up a new worksheet by hitting the new button. It's going to be a blank workbook, which is fine. You will then go into the Insert tab. You'll hit Pivot Table. Once that's in, you're going to choose the external connection, choose the connection button, and then you'll highlight adsBI. This will be set up for you once, and then after that you'll see that every single time you go in to select a particular view or table. You'll click the Open button. You'll see a list of tables. Now I'll expand this really quickly. All the views are at the top. We're going to be looking today at the VW underscore client demographics. You'll go ahead and click OK there. Once you've selected that, you're going to hit OK once more time, and then you're going to go and see the typical Excel 2007 view excuse me, for the pivot table functionality. What you're going to do then is go into look at the individual demographics you can have. One of the things that you can see about this, there are names here that should be pretty apparent at what they are. However, I did create and I will create documentation for each view, and so in this particular table you can see how I'm getting the data elements. Some of these can be customized, but this will give you an overview of how it's created at this point. The age, case number, all these things can be pivoted upon, and so I'm going to give you a quick example of how you can use this. First of all, we can go down to the case number, and we can get a count of case numbers. So this is basically a count of your individual clients. Right now you can see in this database we have 13,005. But I want to filter down. I don't want to see all my old clients. I just want to see my active ones. We can go to the client status field and click it down to filter. Within that, it'll show up here on the top row. Within that drop down, we can select multiple items, and I just want to take away all of them, and I only want to look at active. So I will look at active and hit OK. So now you can see I have 1,680 active clients. If I want to use some pivot capability here, I'm going to go into, let's do marital status. We can make that our row pivot. You can see now I have common law, divorce, married, and I can see a breakdown of those percentages or those counts of individual clients. And you see I do have 57 blank ones. To have valid data, you might want to go and investigate, why do I have 57 blank ones? In order to do that, it's very easy within this pivot table. You would just double click on the 57 and then our 57 rows, and I'll scroll down here to the bottom. It's 57 because we have a header row. There's 58 lines. This is going to show you the individual case numbers, clinics, races, and other demographic information that we have in our view, so that you can go in and investigate those particular clients. The really great thing about pivot tables is we can sort on the columns as well. So if we wanted to look at the individual breakdown by sex, we could say we have 247 married females and 175 married males. There you can also see, again, you can double click on those and you can find our non-married males here with their individual case numbers. In order to clean these up, you would go back to the vendor software, open up the software, find case numbers, and update the marital status on those. So that's a brief overview of the client demographics table. Of course, you can see there's age, city, clinic ID, county. There's a lot of information that you can sort and pivot on and manipulate this data within Excel. Thank you very much.